Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy tasty chicken stew recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be in the description box below. To access the description box, you just need to click on the down arrow next to the title of this video. Okay, so to start off with, I'm starting off with some chicken pieces. I've got wings, thighs and drumstick, and it's about 1 kilogram worth of that. And then I'm going to be adding it into our pan. I have cleaned the meat, so it's already ready to use. And then we're going to be preparing our chicken at a low medium heat. I have not yet put in some water. The low medium heat setting that I'm using is number 3, and I just let that simmer away for about 10 minutes. Then I'm going to start with the flavoring and also the coloring of the meat. So the first thing I'm adding is some salt, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some ground turmeric just to give it that nice vibrant yellow color. And then I'm going to move over and add some ground paprika, and then this also just gives it a little bit of depth in the color. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding some crushed garlic. And you'll also notice that for this recipe I'm not using any onions. So we're not going to be using any onions. And then I'm just going to add about a cup and a half of water into the pan, and then we're going to continue cooking this at a low medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until our chicken pieces have completely cooked through. So I'm just mixing up the water and the spices just so that it can be evenly distributed in the pan. Okay, so after around 20-30 minutes, our chicken is already fully cooked through, and you'll see that it's fully cooked through because the fat then starts to separate from the meat and then creates this like nice dark orange layer inside the pot. And that's when you know that okay, now everything is ready to go. You can then go ahead and start adding your other flavors and also your vegetables. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of rosemary into my stew today. I really love the taste of chicken paired with rosemary. I think it goes really well. And then I'm also going to be adding some medium curry powder. So if you don't want to add vegetables, you can definitely stop your recipe at this point. You'll just thicken up your sauce like I am going to thicken it up at the end, and then your stew is ready to go. But if you do want to add vegetables, then I do have a recommendation of vegetables that you can add into your dish. So I prefer to just add some potatoes, a little bit of green beans, and a little bit of carrots. You can also add sweet potato if you like, or any other vegetables that you love. I prefer to put the vegetables on the top just a little bit, not to really get them at the bottom, because we don't want them to mush up. We still want them to retain their shape. So we're then going to allow that to simmer again on low medium heat until our potatoes are fully cooked through. Okay, so now our potatoes are fully cooked through. I'm going to be thickening the sauce. I'm just using a basic mixture of cake flour and water. I don't really want any additional flavor into my stew, but you're also more than welcome to add different types of soup packs. I will recommend some soup packs that you can try to add, which will be complementing the flavor of this recipe in the description box below. So I've just added that in there, and you can pay attention to how I'm mixing the meat. I don't try to crush it, I go underneath it, and then I allow that to simmer for about 5 minutes, and then my stew. So this is quick, it is a very easy recipe. It's really great for having with things like dumplings. You can also have it with rice, and I also recommend that you have it with pap. I really love this recipe. I hope you guys also enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.